My first photo is of an MRI technologist who specializes in magnetic imaging. They scan areas of the body which have been injured or may be a source of illness, and then analyze these images. They also need to make sure that the patient is safe while inside the MRI. They must explain the procedure and check the patient for metal or previous surgical operations that could cause harm to them, such as aneurysm clips and pacemakers. In the picture, the MRI technologist is scanning a patient's brain. She watches the screen as the brain scan develops and changes as more data is collected. The patient is right behind the glass, and it was cool to see the perspective of the technologist during this procedure. It is amazing to see how these technologists use this machine to look at someone's brain and help them. This technology is used to diagnose patients and find the best treatment options for them, as well as confirm the treatment is working and the patient is improving or has been cured. My second image is of an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in treating and preventing bone, muscle, and joint injuries. They analyze x-rays, formulate and execute treatment plans, and make sure the patient heals correctly so they don't cause further injury. In this picture, my doctor, a pediatric orthopedic surgeon, is removing a girl's cast. He jokes around with her to make her feel more comfortable while he is removing it. Orthopedic surgeons use technology such as x-ray machines and occasionally MRIs to correctly diagnose and treat the patients. They also work with the patient to help them understand procedures and treatment plans. Orthopedic surgeons listen to patient concerns to make sure they are healing comfortably and may have to recommend further treatment, such as a longer time in their cast or brace or going to physical therapy. My third picture is of a physical therapist who is an expert in training patients' bodies to relieve pain and regain movement. They work with people who have been injured and need further assistance with recovering. Physical therapists give patients mobility and strength exercises. In this picture, the physical therapist is helping the patient up the stairs. She is using a belt to assist the patient to make sure she does not fall and cause further injury. Physical therapists use their knowledge and technology to determine the best treatment plan. They continuously observe the patients and listen to how the patient feels to determine if their treatment plan is working or if it needs to be adjusted. They use technology, such as weight resistance machines, to measure how far a patient has come. This helps motivate patients who have had severe injuries to keep working to get back to their prior level of function. All of these medical professionals are extremely helpful in many people's lives. Every day, they save lives by diagnosing diseases and helping people get their lives back from injury and illness. Because of these professionals, people are able to become healthy again.